Okay, students. So this is our next question. Now we have to prove 5 root 3 is an irrational number. Now before proving this, let us recall one important thing that we have studied in class 9, and that is that addition or subtraction of rational and irrational number is irrational. Whenever we have two numbers, one is rational and other one is rational, so whether we add both or we subtract, the result is always an irrational number. And the second, if you have a rational number and irrational number, if you multiply both of them or divide, the result is again an irrational number. Now keeping this in mind, we are going to solve this. Now here we have to prove 5 root 3 is an irrational number. Of course 5 is a rational number and root 3 is irrational. So 5 root 3 is irrational. Now this very concept we have to prove that yes, it is an irrational number. Let us see how we can do. Now we will again go by method of contradiction. So we will write, let 5 root 3 be a rational number. A rational number. We will write this. Now, if 5 root 3 is a rational number, then this can be written as, therefore, 5 root 3 equals to A upon B, where A and B are co-primes. You know what it means by co-primes? Are co-primes, and B is not equals to 0. And B is not equals to 0. So now, if you do interchanging of this, now if you take this here, or you can also write this root 3 equals to A upon B. This 5 goes here, so it becomes 5B. Root 3, 5 we have shifted to here. So now what we are getting, root 3 equals to A upon 5B. Now here you see this root 3 is an irrational number, whereas A upon 5B, this is a rational number. And you know, an irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. Rational number and irrational number cannot be equal. So here it contradicts our assumption. We had assumed that 5 root 3 is a rational number. If it is a rational number, then this will not be possible. Irrational number equals to rational number. So you can write here, root 3 is an irrational number, and A upon 5B is a rational number. Since irrational number not equals to rational number, therefore our assumption is wrong. Hence 5 root 3 is an irrational number. This way we can prove such type of question. It's very simple to prove. Only you have to remember the steps and you can do it. I hope you all have understood. I will just zoom it so that you all can copy and note it down in your notebook. So now I hope you understood the previous question. Now we'll take the next one. Now here you have to prove 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. See, here I have taken difference of rational and irrational number. Now this is also very simple. You have to go by method of contradiction, and you have to say that let 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Now if it is a rational number, then this 5 minus root 3 can be written in the form a upon b. Therefore 5 minus root 3 equals to a upon b, where same thing, a and b are co-primes and b is not equals to 0. Now if I shift root 3 this side, if I take this side, and if I bring this one this side, how I can write? I can write this 5 minus a upon b equals to root 3 minus root 3. If goes that side, becomes plus root 3. Now if I simplify this, I will get 5b minus a upon b equals to root 3. Now again, as you see in this question, if you see, this number is rational number. 5b minus a upon b is a rational number, whereas root 3 is an irrational number. So like how you wrote in the previous question, the same thing you have to write. Since rational number not equals to irrational number, therefore our assumption is wrong. Hence 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. This one more thing you can write that this is rational. You write that this number is a rational number. This is rational number. You write this is irrational number. Now since rational number is not equals to irrational number, so what we assume is wrong, and hence what is given is correct. So this way you can prove the question. I am zooming the video to note it down. Okay students, now in this both the numbers are irrational, and of course if both the numbers are irrational, their sum is going to be an irrational. Now it's very important question can be asked. You have to prove root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. This question is not there in NCERT text, but it's given in side books. So the method of solving will be the same. Like we'll go by method of contradiction only. So we'll say that let root 2 plus root 3 be an irrational number. Now if it is irrational number, so it can be represented in the form root 2 plus root 3 equals to a upon b, where a and b are co-primes, and b not equals to 0. This must be divided in all. The method is the same. Now what you can do is, now if you square both sides, you can do this also. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So what you get? You get root 2 plus root 3 square equals to, this will be a square upon b square. Now this is a formula a plus b whole square, and a plus b whole square is a square, that is root 2 square, plus b square, that is root 3 square, plus 2ab, that is root 2 into root 3. This equals to a square upon b square. Now root 2 square will be 2, root 3 square will be 3, plus this 2, you can write this as root 6 equals to a square upon b square, because you have studied in class 9 in indices that root a into root b can be written as root of a into b. This you have studied in class 9. The same, so root 2 into root 3, root 2 into root 3 can be written as root 2 into 3, and 2 3 is 6, so root 6. Now here you can write this 5 plus 2 root 6 equals to a square upon b square. So I will zoom the video so that you can note it down till here. So now I will rub this. Now here you see that we have got 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 equals to a square upon b square. Now this 5 I can take this side. So I will write 2 root 6 equals to a square upon b square minus 5, or 2 root 6 equals to a square, I am taking LCM here, minus 5b square upon b square. Now this 2 also I can take it here. So this root 6 equals to a square minus 5b square upon 2b square. Hope you all understood this, how I have done. Well, when you do, then you understand it more better. Now, as you see, this root 6 is an irrational number. Root 6 is an irrational number, and this a square minus 5b square upon 2b square is a rational number. Is a rational number. Rational number. Now you know, since irrational number cannot be equals to rational number, irrational number not equals to rational number, rational number. Now since this is not equal, so our assumption is wrong. So we write, therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Hence root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So this way, dear students, you have to solve the question. I will zoom it so that you can see. So students, this is all for today. I have done every type of question, and I am very much confident that you will be able to solve questions from our exercise without any problem. In case if you face any problem, I am always there. Comment me in the comment box. I will respond. So this is all for today. Next we'll be starting next topic. Till then, have a good day.